Alright you dafties, so today I have an unboxing of a shoe that I have finally got and I've been wanting for so long. Shout out to the Cause Uniqlo drop that dropped today. I'm just repping it to show that like that website always tears me apart. It's such a bad copying experience, but it's just you boy copped. I'll show you what I copped in the corners or wherever. But right back to the video, I copped a new pair of shoes. I told you about them last week I think, and I finally got them. They released nearly a couple months ago, but I finally got my hands on them. I had to get them through StockX, so instead of the usual 130, I think it was like 170. I think it was 160, and then the verification fee, etc. So it wasn't too bad, but above retail. I really don't like usually paying above retail, but what can you do, to be honest? So if you guys are confused to what they are, I'll give you a sneak peek. So again, I'm sure you guys know this box, and if you don't, I'll be concerned. But if you should at least know it. So if you guys want to follow my Instagrams, they'll be in one of the corners. Please do so. There'll be a new fit pic probably with these shoes in it. So I won't keep you guys waiting any longer, and let's go to the top down view. So with the top down view, here we are. You can see my hand, you know. So we're gonna get straight into it. This is my first time seeing them, so yeah. Oh, here they are. The Jordan 1 Turbo Greens. Oh, they're so beautiful. I love them. So they have the mint green upper, almost in a suede style, with the tumbled leather on the upper as well, with the off-white midsole and the sort of grey sole. So you have the white toe box, the tumbled leather as well as obviously just the standard style with the Jordan 1 highs, and then you have the mint insole. So with Jordan 1s, you always have different laces. So we have a mint, almost like a mint teal colour, and like a purple. I feel like the purple would look nicest out of both of them, but I'm going to stick with the white ones now just to see, and then lace them up. But obviously because they are StockX, we have the StockX authentication tag. I'm just going to have a once over, so I'll be back in a second. Yeah, so I just had a look at them and they are authentic, so that is good. So because of this is the turbo green, same with the Defiance, they have the SB19 Air Jordan 1 High OG on them. It's just a bit of extra detail. So this is the left foot, also the left foot always has the laces on it, so I'll go bring out the right foot for you. This is the right foot for you, so I'll just quickly go over everything. So the suede quality on them is definitely very good. It has like a tumbled suede kind of quality, like material to it. It's weird, with the hinted light mint green. So you have the mint green tick as well as the tumbled leather upper, and then the tumbled leather toe box with the white suede material up the top here. And then you have obviously the same material they use for the inside of all of them. You have the tongue, which has the purple tick, as well as in the yellow Nike Air logo. And then obviously we have the mint green insole. These are a size 9 UK, size 10 US, and I love them so much. So definitely the quality of the leather, looking over it, the tumbled leather as well as the spell out down here with the SB19 Air Jordan 1 High OG. It's definitely good quality. It's, as I said, it never really meets the blackboard quality, but it is a brilliant quality shoe at least. The tumbled leather is brilliant, the suede on the upper is brilliant, the sole is always the same, as well as the sole colour. I like the sole colour because it won't show up dirt as easy. It just gives it like a full icy feel, and I just love it so much. So I'm going to lace them up for you guys, and we'll do a time lapse of that, and then I'll meet you guys for the styling part of the section, and I'll meet you guys back after I do that. The right side. above, bottom, left side, back, front, so that was the Jordan, oh wait, 2 secs. That was the Jordan 1's Turbo Greens. I love them. I do love them. I say this with every Jordan, but I love them. The colour scheme is brilliant. You've got the upper that is the mint green on it. You have the, I'll just put this one down. You have the upper with the mint green. Then you have the tapered white leather, as you can see here. You have the off-white sole, and then you have the grey outer sole, and it just looks so nice. It has like an icy feel. I don't know if that's what they're going for, but it then generally looks like it, just because they've got like the off-white suede part up here as well. It just all goes together so well. And then you've got the slight detailing of the SB19 down there. Altogether, brilliant shoe. I'd give it like 9 Jordans out of 10. 10 is definitely kept for Chicago's and UNC's. Like, I cannot specify that enough. I need to get them eventually. I'm going to cut to the lacing time lapse, and then I'll see you after for the styling part. So starting off with the turbo greens on foot, with the hidden socks, just because I feel like I've not got anything to really match it. I have white socks, but it just throw it off completely. Next we have, it's like an off-white lace, so it definitely fits. Next I have the H&M grey short. Next we have the H&M mint t-shirt, which just overall sets off the fit. If you like how I styled them, all the items will be in the description below. I'll pop them with a link so you can get them if you want to. Everything was quite cheap, mostly because it's H&M, and H&M is brilliant. Like, if you've not got anything that you think will go, then just go to H&M, they have a lot of stuff. So I'll pop that in the description below with all the links, as well as the StockX link for these shoes right here, these buttes. So if you guys want to follow my Instagrams, they've been in one of the corners the whole time. There's Viego pics on there, as well as some coming soon. Hopefully a turbo green fit pic, as well as the crimson tints fit pic, hopefully. And then if you go to my shoe account, they'll be up there eventually with the turbo greens. If you guys enjoyed the video, please leave it a like. It does actually help so much, because the small channel, it does allow me to see if you guys enjoyed the video, and if you guys want to comment and don't want to like, and just tell me if you like, if there's anything you want to change, or if you want me to do anything, I'll do it. It just, I've got 30 subs now, so it's just, we're getting there, and it's so I just love the feedback I get, bad, good or bad, because it just helps me improve as much as I can. So thank you guys so much. If you guys want to subscribe, if you're not subscribed, there is a ton of content, unboxings, as well as some failed L cops on Supreme, and no Palace. Palace was a W. If you guys want to subscribe, please do so. If you guys want to like the video, please. If you want to comment below, I'll be there replying to all of them. So yeah, I'll see you in the next one. Peace.